pharmacy. And there's this mannequin. There are people everywhere. We have to find. Dude, there's cute.
Oh, I thought that was a watch.
YOLO!
You only live once.
No, you obviously like Oreos.
Whatever. I can see Kayla one.
Yeah,
It's a pool.
it's a pool. It's a pool.
It's a what?
It's a pool. Right there.
The face of
Jackfrin.
what bag bottles at home?
Go pose next to the cow.
Aw, Bella loves it. Now she has disease. Run away! Run away! What is
We
that?
better pay for these before. It's like rabies for cows.
Okay.
We better pay for these before they melt.
Like, subscribe, whatever. Bye.